We're going to talk about a crypto stock in this video today because analysts are getting really excited about this particular stock after some recent dips. So stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the Tip Ranks YouTube channel. I'm Richard Allen. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. In this video, we're going to talk about Marathon Digital. Ticker symbol there is MARA. A couple key developments recently has caused this stock to drop right around 30% over the past month. But based on some new analyst recommendations and ratings, this stock has some pretty big upside over the next 12 months. And like I said, they're down 35% from recent highs. Now, Bitcoin is down today, was down right around 4% as of making this video. But this particular stock, Marathon Digital, was down almost 10% today. But why? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. And then it's up to you to decide whether or not you think this is a buying opportunity or not. Obviously, there are risks with any stocks you invest in the stock market, and there could be more pain ahead in this stock. But let's jump right in. Let's talk about the recent dips and why these analysts think that this offers an attractive price point right now. So the first reason that Marathon Digital has fallen, they are raising money to help with the acquisition of more Bitcoin miners. The company announced an upsized $650 million convertible senior notes offering, for which investors seemed to be not so excited just based on the sheer size of that offering and Marathon Digital at the time being around a $7 billion company. Here's what an analyst from B. Riley, Lucas Pipes, has to say about this, and needless to say, he's not overly concerned. For Marathon specifically, the offering substantially de-risks the capital requirements for the build-out to 13.3 exahash over the course of the next 9 months. We estimate capital needs of less than $500 million, an amount the company comfortably surpasses with its cash on hand, revolver capacity, and now the proceeds from the upside convertible bond offering. While the analyst feels this development might have added some initial selling pressure on the stock, he is more perplexed by what seemed to be the other reason accelerating the decline. The company disclosed that it has been subpoenaed by the SEC for info regarding the build of its data center in Hardin, Montana. Specifically, the investigation relates to Marathon's distribution of 6 million shares of restricted common stock to finance the development. Pipes thinks the sharp correction, which wiped off roughly $2.1 billion in total value, is starkly out of context for an information subpoena relating to transactions when the company was at a completely different stage of its life cycle. At the time of the related event, Marathon Digital was only worth about $200 million. Whether the connection between the size of market cap and the violation of security laws is valid or not, the analyst thinks the market may have overreacted to the disclosure, and he would take advantage of the weakness in shares. As such, Pipes maintains his buy rating on MARA shares along with a $92 price target. Investors could be sitting on gains of right around 85% if Pipes is right. But what do the analysts have to say overall about Marathon Digital right now after this drastic fall? This is a strong buy based on 3 recent ratings on the stock with an average upside of right around 38% overall with a price target of just over $68. But again, Lucas Pipes is coming in with that high value of $92, and there is a low range of $48 as well, which would represent a slight 3% downside. But that rating was reiterated right around 2 months ago. So guys, please let me know how you feel about this space in general. As I said, Bitcoin is down, trading under $60,000, down right around 4% over the past 24 hours. But I want to get your guys' opinion. Do you think that this is a time for Bitcoin to fall further, or are they going to recover and get back up to that almost 70,000 per Bitcoin? But if Bitcoin falls pretty far back into the 30s or 20s or something like that, it could wreak some havoc on stocks like Marathon Digital, like CleanSpark, like Riot, like BTBT, or other stocks that we've talked about in the past. But please let me know if you like this play, if you like Marathon Digital right now. Let me know down in the comments. Or if you disagree and you think there's a better opportunity out there, whether it's in this space or not. I'm hearing PayPal is a fantastic opportunity as well. That could be one that I talk about in the near future. But guys, thank you so much for joining me for this video. As always, if you learned something new or found any value in this video at all, let me know by hitting that like button and that subscribe button down below. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.